Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Proton VPN secure core settings safely, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Proton VPN secure core settings safely, begin by launching the Proton VPN application on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account with your credentials. Navigate to the settings menu, which is typically represented by a gear icon. Locate the option labeled Advanced Settings. Within this section, look for Secure Core Settings. Click on the Secure Core Settings option to access its configurations. You will see a list of available server locations for the Secure Core feature. Review the current settings to confirm which servers are selected. If you need to change the server locations, select your preferred countries from the list. Make sure you choose available countries that offer secure core servers. Once you have made your selections, confirm your choices. Look for a Save or Apply Changes button at the bottom of the settings menu. Click on this button to ensure your new secure core settings are stored. Now, disconnect and reconnect your VPN to apply the new configurations. Verify that the VPN is connected to one of the secure core servers you selected. You can check the server details in the main dashboard of the app. Monitor your connection speed and stability to ensure optimal performance. After you have confirmed everything is functioning correctly, your settings are now safely restored. For added security, consider regularly reviewing your settings to maintain your privacy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.